Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Indulge the optimum, the opulence with our luxury lobby design, an embodiment of modern home decor ideas that redefine grandeur. This mediously crafted lobby concept transcends the ordinary, offering a fusion of sleek contemporary aesthetics and lavish comfort. Every element is a testament to executive taste, from the sumptuous furnishings that invite relaxation to the meticulously chosen decorative essence that execute sophistication. The play of textures, premium materials, and carefully curated lighting cast a spell of elegance upon the space, welcoming residents and guests alike to a world of redefined indulgence. Whether it's the plush seating arrangements, the intricately designed statement pieces, or the artistic interplay of colors, our luxury lobby design transforms the threshold of your home into a timeless masterpiece. Elevate your living experience with this symphony of modern luxury, where each detail whispers tales of elegance and refinement. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.